Here's my packing process. I always include some stickers and an alcohol wipe along with the order. I will then put the order and the stickers in plastic bags and then wrap everything in a tissue paper. I want the customer to receive my order like a gift, but due to the size limitation of stamp shipping in Canada, I can't use a box, so I'm just wrapping everything in a tissue paper. And then I also include a handmade thank you card. It is drawn with oil pastel and then covered with transparent sticker paper to protect the card. Also wrap everything in a bubble wrap before putting in the bubble mailer to give extra protection. I also add some stickers on the bubble mailer. I found that these stickers would fall off quite easily, but the ones on the right works really well. My last step is to test out the thickness. And then I always make sure that I take a picture of the orders before I send them out. After I send the orders to the post office, I will mark the order as shipped and send my buyer a message. I will let them know that the order isn't trackable and also an estimated delivery time.